If you want to take it slow, hop up on my jet and roll to Tokyo.
Miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Now let's jump right into this video. I had gotten this question a few times in a previous eyelash try on haul video that I did. I will show you the thumbnail right here, link it in the cards up above and description box down below. That video, a few of you asked me to show you how I apply false lashes. This application method that I use, I've used it and it gives me the perfect false lashes look every single time. So I am also going to be telling you a little bit more about the lashes that I'm using. I do have a beauty brand if you do not know. I will link a card up above as well as in the description box down below. So I will be featuring the lashes that I use, a pair, one of my favorite pairs, and also my eyelash adhesive as well as my lash applicator tools. So make sure you get your tools out, get your favorite pair of lashes out, and let me show you the tips and tricks that I use to get the perfect false eyelash application every single time. So here you go. Okay, so I have everything on: my foundation, my concealer, my powders, my eyeshadow, and now I'm going to apply my favorite part, my lashes, and I'm going to show you all how I do them. So let me zoom you on in closer. So if you know or you do not know, I started my own beauty brand, which is called the Luxe Princess. I am going to link my online store right down in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. Just click on the link and it'll take you straight there and you can browse around and see what products I have. To start, I have my favorite product, eyelashes. I have 3 different styles called Classy, Fabulash, and Most Natural. I'm going to be applying the Most Natural ones today. I also have a clear Brush-On Lash Adhesive as well as Lash Applicators that I will also be using to apply my lashes. Now the style here, Most Natural, I love it because it truly is the most natural eyelashes that I've seen when I was looking and on the hunt for the most natural eyelashes, and I absolutely love them. The first thing that I do is I'm going to remove the lashes from the tray. And I usually like to use the edge of the tweezers to remove them because I feel like when I use the edge of the tweezers to remove them, it doesn't accidentally rip or tear any of the lashes. The next thing I do is I like to kind of bend the band a bit. That makes it more flexible. And I noticed that when I do this tip, if you will, and I bend the band, it makes it more flexible and easier to apply to my lashes. Simply because if you look at your eye is naturally curved. It's not naturally straight. When you take lashes out, they're like almost like naturally straight a bit. So you have to curve them so that they curve to your natural eye, and it makes the application process so much easier and so much faster. I usually hold it like this for like 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, and then I will put the glue on and apply them. All right, now let me do the same to the second pair. All right, let me do the same thing to the second one. Just very gently lift them up and then bend them. I think these lashes, Most Natural, I think they're really going to complement this look. As you can see, my look is it's very natural. I think this is kind of like a very natural wearable look. So I think these lashes are definitely going to complement the look. Now that they're bent, now what I'm going to do is take the smallest pinch of mascara and apply it to my lashes. The smallest pinch. You don't want too much mascara on your lashes. I don't usually like a lot of mascara on my natural lashes because I'm just going to go back over them a bit at the end with a little bit more mascara to make sure my lashes and the false eyelashes blend together. Now onto the part where I apply the lashes. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit more. So what I usually do is get a small mirror that I can look down in. I have a mirror right here in front of me, but it's big. I want a small one, so I'm going to use this very, very tiny one from my Hoola Benefit bronzer. And you're going to take the lashes. So I'm gonna take the first one. I usually do this eye first and then this eye. So I'm gonna take the lashes and make sure they're bent again. And then I'm gonna hold them and I'm going to apply my clear Brush-On Lash Adhesive. I made a video showing more about my brand, why it's called the Luxe Princess, as well as showing up close shots of all of the products that I have. I will link that video up in the cards up above and in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out if you want to know more about it. You have a nice thin layer, should be good. Then I usually let it dry for about 20 to 25 seconds. I'll just blow on them. Then I'm going to look down into the mirror, position it in the middle, and then position the ends as close to your lash line as possible. And then just make sure it goes down. With the inner corner here in the front, I usually like to just hold it for a bit with my finger, because I feel like that makes it like really settle down, if you will. It makes it really stick. Sometimes the lash applicator part can be a little bit too big, so I feel like my finger is just enough to hold it down. And then what I like to do is I like to take my fingers and just pinch it. Give it a nice pinch. There you go. That is your first lash applied. Really quick up close, here is how the false lashes look. I absolutely love them. Okay, now back to the rest of the video. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to apply false lashes with me. I hope I gave you a lot of tips and some tricks that I use to apply false lashes, and it definitely helps for you to practice so that they can come out perfect each and every time. Just know that it does take a while to learn and get the hang of applying false lashes, but they truly are a lot of fun and they can make the difference in any makeup look and in every makeup look, and that is exactly why I love them. Don't forget to check out all the products. I listed everything in the description box down below. If you want to see any more makeup tutorials, or if you want to see a makeup tutorial on this look, make sure you let me know that too as well. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite part of your makeup routine. Do you love applying foundation, concealers, or are you more of a very light and natural makeup wearer? Let me know. Drop me a comment down below. I love chatting with you all. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up the beauty community news, my beauty brand, as well as me, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload twice a week, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I might give you a bonus video throughout the week. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will check you out very, very soon. Bye.